koutou, ko Angus toku ingoa. My name is Angus.
And what up today, Winton School? Ko Dylan ahau. I am Dylan. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the Ratu, the 17th of May.
Okay, let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is Keenor, which is te rere for awesome.
As in, Keenor ke koe e hor-a. You are awesome, my friend.
Ki ora koe hoa. Thanks, mate. That's Keenor, which is awesome.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. High VIZ vests. We need to wear them to and from school.
Especially as the months are getting darker and darker.
Still with health and safety, when playing in the nature area, please leave the edging sleepers in place.
They're there for a reason, so leave them in place, please.
And ice packs. If you use an ice pack, make sure the ice pack is returned to the office. Kia ora.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
I'm stuck in the text box swamp. Magazine team news. Please meet Mr. T in the group room at 12:40. Kia ora.
Another big day in room 1 today.
Spencer White has his first day at school. Have fun in room 1 and enjoy your time at Winton School.
ICAS news. Students sitting the ICAS digital technology assessment. Please meet Mr. T in the group room at 11:20. Bring a pencil and a rubber. Kia ora.
Social science fair news. All Year 5 students that wishes to enter the social science fair, whakarongo mai.
Discuss it with your teacher. If you are intending to enter an exhibit, please let Miss Collett know by Monday next week.
All exhibits will be carried out in class or at home, and the science fair itself runs from Tuesday the 14th until Saturday the 18th of June. And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite apopo. See you tomorrow.
Haere and stay sharp, Winton School. And we leave you today with a message from the PALS team.
Room 4 and 5, that's you.
Hi, I'm Kate. I'm one of your PALS leaders. Our job is to play games with you at lunchtime.
Look out for this PALS roster, which will be up on the library window. It'll tell you who's on and what day it's on and which classrooms and also what you're doing and where you're doing it.
And you can tell who's on with these awesome jackets.